In this video, we're going to be covering the bacterial filter replacement, part number E5131 for the clinical vacuum systems. To begin, locate the red knob and turn it to the off position. This will ensure the system is powered down. Locate the bacterial filter on each housing that requires replacement. Remove the lid from the top filter housing by releasing the 4 clips. Remove the old filter and clean up any residue with a cloth from the filter housing if necessary. Retrieve the replacement bacterial filters from your maintenance kit, ensuring they match the specifications of the old ones you just removed, part number E5131. Place the new filter with the open side first and make sure the filter is fully seated. Place the lid back and close the 4 securing clips. Repeat the same process with a bacterial filter located on the bottom of your system. Once all replacements are complete, power up the system by turning the red knob to the on position and ensuring everything is functioning properly. By following these steps to replace the bacterial filter, you'll ensure the efficiency and functionality of your clinical system. Thank you for watching.